Oh my gosh, y'all. They are so cute. Hey guys, so I am back today with another episode of Black Tea and Honey. And if you don't know me, my name is Portia, and me and my husband run Black Tea and Honey, which is a soap and candle making company. So we sell handmade soaps, beeswax candles, and today is really exciting because I recently got in our Vistaprint order for our new business cards. So I wanted to open that up with you today. So let's get into it. We've gone through quite a bit of designs to get to our final business card that you'll see today. My husband actually designed the logo for these cards, and so once I get it out, I'll show you guys what it looks like and kind of what the idea behind the logo was. All right, so let's see what's inside. They got a few promotional type things they're showing. Oh, and I also got one other thing in here, guys. I got a mug with our logo on it, so you'll see that as well. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Now, I've ordered from Vistaprint before, and it never came in a little box like this. So this is super cute. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. All right, so let's open this up. Like perfect to keep them in too, keeping everything organized, you know. Okay. Ooh, here they are. Let's see. Oh my gosh, y'all. They are so cute. Okay, here is our design. Hopefully it's not too bright. And there we are, Black Tea and Honey, soaps and candles. And then on the back, we have what we specialize in, and then we also put a QR code there so you can go directly to the website. And then we also have down here on this side our contact information as well as our website. So yes. And I did this QR code on, what is it, QR? I'll put it on the screen. I think it's QR code maker.com. It's something, or reader something.com. I'll put that on the screen for anyone interested in knowing how to do your own QR codes. But I really like the idea of being able to put our logo right in the center. I think that's so cute. Yay, these are the business cards, guys. Do you like them? I think they're so cute. Oh my goodness. They came out perfect. Oh. All right. And I also got a mug. So I wanted to see what it would look like with our logo, our name on there. Because that may be something that we sell along with our, you know, as an accessory along with our candles. So here's the mug, our logo. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to have some tea in this. And then there's our website right there. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this came out so good. And I can't remember how many ounces this is. I'll have to look back on the website. Maybe 12, a 12 ounce mug. But I think that came out so nice. I know there's a little glare right there, but hopefully you can get the gist. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let me clear all of this off and then we can talk about what our logo means, what it stands for, kind of the idea behind it. So I'll see you in just a sec. All right, so I got all that out of the way. Just to talk about our card just a little bit. Like I mentioned earlier, we went through a few designs when we were thinking through what our logo should look like for the company. And we kind of toyed around with tea bags because we do use tea in our soaps. That's kind of what our soaps are all about. They're tea soaps. And we also toyed around with whether we should use bubbles, or should we have like a candle on the as the logo, or should we have leaves, like tea leaves, as the logo? And we were not really satisfied with what we were seeing, I guess, clip art wise. And so my husband had the idea to kind of make a logo himself, and it kind of encompasses what our whole company is about, right? So even looking at the logo, and I may put a picture of it on the screen for you guys so you can see it up close, but when you look at this logo, it almost could go either way, like as a round cup of tea with steam coming out, or a round candle with the flame lit like that, right? Or like the smoke of maybe an extinguishing candle, something like that. So it kind of goes with both parts of our business, or both sides, where we sell the soaps and the candles, because I think the logo can be looked at as either, and I think that's just perfect. And the color scheme, of course, with the more amber lettering at the top for Black Tea and Honey, kind of goes along with the honey theme. We do use honey in our soaps as well to add moisturizing properties, as well as give the soap extra bubbles and things like that. It just all works together. And my husband even thought about the idea of having, I don't know if you can see it, but you'll see it in the close-up. There, even in the logo itself, on the back side, there's like amber coloring right here and right here in the back. So he kind of tied that honey theme into the tea cup slash candle itself, and it meshes really good with the lettering up here, which is also that same amber color. So I think it turned out wonderful. I think Vistaprint did a great job. We've always gone with Vistaprint for our cards, so I'm really proud of what they did. And yeah, I'll continue to probably work with that company for our cards. And again, our mug, I can't wait to drink some tea out of this. Y'all may see me drinking some tea out of this in the next video, who knows? But I think they did an awesome job with this as well. Kind of gives us an idea of maybe an accessory we would want to sell with our soaps and candles, yeah, so I definitely think it looks nice, very professional. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today with the unboxing of our business cards, as well as our mug that we have now. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave those down below, and stay tuned to the next Black Tea and Honey video. We certainly appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.